Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to respond to a question somebody asked me on the best and simple business ideas to start up in Cameroon. That's the video. So somebody asked me a question under this video and I've not been able to. I've responded, but I feel like let me respond again. Please, can I get a direct contact for more knowledge about business in Cameroon while in diaspora? That's why not around, but someone trustworthy is very important. If you are diaspora, I've made a video before on my channel on business ideas you can start up while you are abroad. And one of the business ideas you can start up is a car rental service. Yes, you can start up a car rental service. You can start up you can, I don't even know where you're located. You understand? There are so many things to consider. I don't know where you're located. So I have a lot of business ideas on my channel. Let me just say that. I have a lot of business ideas on my channel. I just made a video of recent for business ideas to start up if you are diaspora, if you are abroad. Okay, now, please, how can I start a restaurant if probably I won't be cooking, but as the boss, but in needs of a very nice cook and trustworthy people? That's the comment. I don't know if you can see that. I'm using a phone to film and I'm trying to study the phone. Yeah, so now if you want to start up a restaurant, you have to consider so many things. First of all, is it a continental restaurant or just African meals, our home-based traditional meals? And it is very possible that you can start up a restaurant. But if I want to advise you from the bottom of my heart, I've owned a restaurant before. Yes, in 2019, I had a restaurant and I had 3 girls cooking for me. Yes, I had a restaurant and I had 3 girls cooking for me, and my husband included drinks. So now one of the reasons why I failed is because I didn't really plan the business that much before starting it. I was just excited to start up a restaurant and I had my main business also, so I could not juggle between every day going for supervision. What are they going to cook? I need to get to the market, buy those things, bring them, and I need to caution them because most people are not trained. If you hire workers, you have to train those workers on how to do the job in Cameroon. That's the reality. If you hire workers in Cameroon, even if it's a chef, you have to tell the person how you want your meals to look like, how you want customers to consume the meal. And one thing you have to know is that if you are cooking in a restaurant, it's not the same way you cook while in your house. Yeah, for so many reasons. The quality of meal you cook in a restaurant sometimes it's not the same quality of meal you cook at home. So if you are interested in starting a restaurant, there are so many things you should consider. Are you around? Are you going to be there to supervise the business? Because if you want to also start this restaurant because you want a manager, and the manager will be the one managing the restaurant and you are not on ground, because the person who asked me this question asked me the follow-up question. One issue is to get someone trustworthy who won't make you lost, especially in rearing, that's in farming. Like you want to start a farm, you need to get someone who is trustworthy. Please, how to sell the rearing of fowls fast, because it's not also easy. Your animals, let's say your chicken, when your chicken is ready, how do you sell it first, please? Number 2, you go to this market women who sell chicken in the market. You inform them that you have your chickens to be ready by this time. Once it is ready, they can come like 2 or 3 of them. Sometimes just one person can come and count like 500. Yes, one person can come and buy like 500 because they are coming to buy it for wholesale price. So I've talked about, go to the market, these market women, inform them that your chickens are ready or they are matured. Some of them will take the business personal. They'll tell you, okay, don't sell it to anybody. I'll come and select 500. Some say I'll come and select 300. Some say 200. Secondly, you can go to these people that are making soya. You also tell them. But sometimes the people making soya, they don't really buy that much quantity like these market women. You get it. And then next thing, you can also contact restaurants and hotels to tell them that you have live chicken that is ready. These are the people that will come and get your chicks. And then you can go to cold stores and ask them if you can process it and then sell to them so they can put in their fridge and then start reselling back why you catch your money in bulk. Because when it comes to the rearing of animals, if you want to start selling one, you not see your gain. But if they count 200, they count 300, they count 500, they count 1,000, then you easily see your gain. So that's the best way I can advise you to sell your animals. And you can also do a Facebook advert. That's another way you also sell your market. At a restaurant, I will advise you be on ground. Even if it is your family member, even if it is your friend, if you want to make gain in that restaurant, you should be on ground. And yes, you can always hire people to make the meals for you while you're there, but you must be hands in to see gain. Hands on, or is it hands on or hands in? Yes, you must be there. If not, you will not see any gain. And then for this part of the next question that you talked about is having trustworthy people is one of the most difficult things, because sometimes when people sell, let's say somebody sells, and when they see the amount of money they are making a day from the sales, they'll be like, look at how much we are making from sales, and our boss is the one enjoying this money. But they forget that in that money there's house rent, there is a money to still get other meals for the next day, their salary is there, everything, rentage is there, and so many things. So some people now will be stealing from you because they want to go and empower themselves. Yeah, so some people, they'll be stealing from you because they want to go and empower themselves, because they'll feel like they are just working for you and maybe what you're paying them is not even enough. So getting trustworthy people, you need prayers, you need observations, you need the spirit of discernment. Best believe me, there are good people. I've encountered really good and trustworthy people, and I've encountered people that almost ruined my life and my finances. So I don't know if I've answered your questions in this video, or maybe I was rambling. Please ask me your questions again. I don't know why this lightning seems to dim, goes over. The name of this person is Yemeli Meldrick. Yes, Yemeli Meldrick. I don't know if I've answered your question, but if I haven't answered your question, you can still drop another question in the comment section and I'll answer ASAP. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any other questions, just drop them in the comment section and I will reply to you